Jiangsu GSO New Energy Technology Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of UPS, solar system, lithium battery energy storage system, solar inverter, MPPT solar controller. We also undertake the design, production, and installation of various on-grid and off-grid solar EPC projects. Our company is located in the city of Yangzhou with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of equipments, including digital oscilloscope, analog oscilloscope, high-low temperature chamber, intelligent electric quality tester, thermal infrared imager. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificate. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Africa, South America, North America, Southeast Asia, Middle East. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We will continue to strengthen enterprise management to ensure professional products and services for you.